Guys, today we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and my first impressions. And to be honest, the box looks very similar to last year's model, so it's not really much different in that category. Okay, so there is pull tabs. Thankfully, I had scissors just in case, but there are pull tabs for this, so that's good. Alright, let me not drop it like I dropped the case. Oh my gosh. Boys, we are here. Okay, let me put this to the side real fast. There is nothing else in the box. I figured. No, there's stuff in this box. This side has stuff in it. Alright, so we have the SIM card removal tray, or SIM card removal ejector. What else do we have in here? Let me see. Ooh, okay. We have the USB charging cord, obviously. And we do have the quick start guide. Again, the ejector thing. And now, the best part. Oh, it's like... Am I just gonna rip it? Okay. I thought for a second that this was the inside plastic screen. And I was about to be like, whoa, bro, hold up, what? And there it is. The Galaxy... The first fold, for me at least, for this, not my first fold, but this is actually my 5th fold I've ever bought. But this is my first time folding this phone. That's what I'm trying to say. So after, like I said before, after earning all 5 generations of foldable phones, I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you, this color is beautiful. This color is gorgeous. Wow. It feels different in the hand. It definitely does. If you own a Z Fold 4 and you own a Z Fold 5, it might not look that different on like camera, but when you're holding it in the hand, it feels different. I don't know how to explain that. It's just that feeling. And I love the color scheme of this. I am not gonna lie to you, this color is actually pretty beautiful. So, would I say this is different than the Z Fold 4? For just first impressions, it's very similar. It's very, very, very similar. I wish I had my Z Fold 4. I traded it in to get the Z Fold 5. But, it's very similar. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Let's see. The first boot up. Oh wait, see, I just hit the volume button. I did that the first time I picked up the Z Fold 4 too. First time I picked up Z Fold 4, I hit the volume button. Yeah, it's a little bit longer. Come on. Hold up. Is this dead? Okay, let's see, is this dead or is this alive? Usually these come out of the box alive. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it was just a long press. That's actually, surprisingly enough, that's actually what happened with the Surface Duo 2. The same concept happened. Was like, it was a long press for it. So, overall, not bad. Overall, not bad. My first impressions, like I said before, is interesting. It's definitely interesting. It's... Like, again, I'm gonna give my opinions after 24 hours and a week of using this, so I'll give, like, you know, update reactions and stuff like that, but for a first reaction type of thing, I really like it. I really do. And it might just be because I'm a tech enthusiast and I love all foldable cell phones, no matter which one it is, but it just feels nice. I love the backing feel. But again, like I said, it feels a lot like Z Fold 4, guys. Just telling you right now, it feels very identical to Z Fold 4. But for the crease, just a key tip here. Yep, the crease is still there. Just, you know, help you guys out if you're wondering. The crease is still there. God, this is such a beautiful phone. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.